Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this gentle guidance. Scorpios. So let's see what are these cards. We have ship, house, and mice. So Scorpios, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, there are people you consider as your friends or you consider someone close to you, but they are trying to use you in some ways, guys, Scorpios. So they may be trying to benefit from your skills and talents, or trying to use you to achieve certain things for themselves. They may have some goals or ambitions, and they are um, using you to achieve all those, maybe. And these people are robbing you of your opportunities and of success. They are sharing your success. So you need to be careful with such people, guys. Maybe if you know who it is, maybe someone in your work, you need to avoid this person, Scorpios. And they may be the reason you are not getting those opportunities. Maybe in your work they are grabbing your opportunities, trying to take credit for your ideas and your work. So they are simply draining your time and energy, wasting your time and energy. So it maybe, and it is bit by bit, it is affecting your confidence and your health and your peace of mind. You need to be really careful, guys. So maybe in the beginning you may see it as something small, something that does not matter. But as time goes by, bit by bit, it is going to affect your health and confidence. So you need to be careful with this person, guys. So even in your relationship, Sagittarius, maybe with this person you love, you have a particular idea, or you expect certain things, maybe, or you have certain dreams about your relationship, and you want your relationship to proceed in that way. But maybe when it does not go that way, what do you feel? You may feel disappointed and stressed, sad. But in any meaningful connection, if you want that meaningful connection, you must voice out what you feel. The same way you must listen to that other person also, guys. So when you listen to them, and when you when you also give your ideas and suggestions, you are going to find that understanding and love between you both. So it will be a positive, meaningful relationship based on trust and faith and truth. So you need to go for that, guys. So whatever ideas or expectations you have, you need to give all that up. If you give up your expectations, you are in for a sweet surprise today, guys. Maybe this may be the person of your dreams. Even better than that, but maybe they are simply not matching your expectation. So let's see what is the card. It's snake. So with this person, guys, we took this card for your relationship. Maybe you need to take time. They are hiding something from you. They may have a different face. Maybe they are posing as your friend or the person you love. But their intentions may not be good, guys. They may have evil intentions towards you. So you need to be careful. That is what I see, guys. But with the previous cards, we had a different energy, and with this card, it is a totally negative energy. So maybe, Scorpios, I feel that you must give this relationship some time. So if you give it time, you are going to get that clarity today, guys. That is what I see, guys, for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is child. So it just means that there are some offers and opportunities coming your way, and it may be a new beginning, something which you have never done, something in which you are quite inexperienced. So it may be a new opportunity coming towards you. So you need to think clearly before making or stepping into that choice today, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however, life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps, move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.